In 2024, there have been a lot of changes in Meta Ads. Friends, its inside features, dashboard, and several other changes have been incorporated in Meta Ad. And if you have to be updated or if you want to learn Facebook ads from the very beginning, so friends, this course is for you because Marketing Fundas are launching the latest features for you. It's completely updated 2024's Meta Ads course, which means Facebook ads course. It was your continuous demand that, sir, please bring your latest course on Facebook ads so that we can start learning Meta ads from beginning and grow our business. Or we can apply for job and build our career. For example, Meta ads. If you want to become performance marketer, whether for your own business or whether you apply for a performance marketer job with a high salary package, Meta ads plays an important role in all of these. So what's the best thing about it is that this course is just starting. Absolutely latest. It's not like it will come after a month or two. Within 4 to 5 days, you will start getting videos on a daily basis. So if you want to learn Facebook ads from scratch, from the very basic level, please subscribe to channel right now if you haven't already. Subscribe immediately. Press the bell icon so that you don't miss a single video of this course. Well, you already know that our channel has courses like Artificial Intelligence, Google Ads, Shopify, Dropshipping, e-commerce and affiliate marketing available. But we still bring new courses just for you, and we are bringing these old courses back for you so that you can learn the latest things about these as well. Okay? Today the changes that have come, you can update yourself with those things. And why are we able to do this? Because of the love we get from you. And in this way, keep on loving us. But how can I believe that your love is growing? For that you should write. Yes, I will learn. Write in the comment section. Write in the comment section that yes, I will learn. So friends, I am bringing such a powerful course on Meta ads, and this time, I think within 3 to 4 years, I have brought Meta ads and Facebook ads courses 3-4 times for you and have always received your love. But if you have trust in your Hitesh sir, then believe me that this time the Meta ads course and the Facebook ads course is going to be of next level. How to do scaling with this in business? In this, you can know about high ticket clients of business and small ticket clients and more such business fundas. What we do inside our Marketing Funda of Digital Marketing Agency is that we run many Meta ads for many brands in multiple countries. You know, we have helped a lot of businesses reach on a high level from scratch and have helped increase their turnover. We have brought amazing sales for them, and how to make offers for them, how to do pixel, how to do tracking. Our agency does all these things for Indian as well as international clients. I will bring such experience. I will bring such unique topics that after learning it, when you will go to an interview, they will ask, how do you know so much? So if you want to learn like this, please subscribe. But if you want more courses, if you have learned this course well, commented, liked and shared this. So in the same way, I am going to bring Instagram marketing and many other amazing and latest courses to you. So that's why I won't say much, just that so far the most amazing Meta ads course is coming up soon. It will be fun in learning and teaching. So we'll meet with the upcoming video and begin this course. Okay, Jai Hind.